How to create a receipt or collection. What is the use of the receipt or collection module? In receipt or collection, you will be able to record collections from customers or receipt of money from other sources. How to create a receipt or collection entry. From the main menu, go to the Customers and select Receipt or Collection. At the upper right side of the window, click Create. Fill in the necessary information. Please note that all fields with an asterisk are required to create the receipt or collection, while those without the asterisk are optional information. Reference number. Select the prefix if applicable, then provide the reference number or use the auto-numbering suggestion by the system. Please note, prefixes for receipt or collection can be set up from the miscellaneous settings. Document number is an extra field where you can input a reference number if you have a separate document reference. Fill in the receipt or collection date in the Date field. Select the customer of the items from the list and it will automatically fill in the customer name. Payment method is where you can select the method of payment, example cash, check, or electronic fund transfer. Default payment methods for the customer can be set in the customer list. After selecting your payment method, you can select the bank or cash account to deposit the amount in the Deposit To field. Some payment methods would require other details such as check date, check number for check payments, and card number or card expiration date for card payments. Receipt or collection has a few extra fields that you can activate in the settings, such as Sales Representative. After providing the header details, you can now select the invoices to be paid in the Invoice tab or Other Expenses in the Revenue tab. Under Invoice tab, you'll see the list of unpaid invoices of the selected customer. Apply collection by clicking the checkbox beside the invoice. The full unpaid amount of the invoice will reflect in the payment column. You can also apply partial collection by inputting the amount in the payment column. This module also has a few other features that come in handy. On the upper right side of the table is your search field, where you can search specific invoices if you have a long list in your table. There are up and down arrows in the table headers to sort the table by reference, date, or amount. On the lower right side of the table is Your Table Pages. To record other receipts not previously recorded as receivable from customer, just go to Revenue tab. Input the revenue description in the description box. Then select the income account and input amount. Check the With VAT box if VAT is applicable. To add additional income or receipt, click New Line. At the bottom part, you'll see the gross amount, total VAT, and the total collection. Lastly, input applicable remarks. Then click Save and select a saving option. Save and close if you want to save the transaction and no longer wish to create a new one. Save and new if you wish to save the transaction and create a new entry. Save and print if you wish to save the transaction and print it. Save and attach if you wish to save the transaction and attach a supporting document for it. You have just created a receipt or collection entry.